Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and your BDS preparation is going well. So today we are going to learn a very important and scoring topic, scam and growth curve. Now before we start, let me ask you one simple question. Do all parts of our body grow at the same rate? Think about brain, height and reproductive organs. Do they grow equally? The answer is no. And today we will understand why this happens in a very easy way with a diagram and an exam trick. So stay with me till the end. Let's get started. So the human body does not grow at the same rate throughout the life. So here the simple meaning is our body growth is not equal everywhere. Different organs grow at different rate, amounts and the time. So this is termed as differential growth. So that means the brain grow early, body grow gradually and reproductive organs grow later. So this concept is called the differential growth. So question for you, what do we call different growth rates of different body parts? The answer is differential growth. So there are the two concepts like a Scammon growth curve and the cephalic caudal gradient of growth. So today we focus on the Scammon growth curve. Okay. So Scammon curve of growth. So the body tissue can be broadly classified into four types, that are lymphoid tissue, neural tissue, general tissue and the genital tissue. So first one is lymphoid tissue. So here it proliferates rapidly in late childhood and reaches almost 20% in adult side. So then it decreases in evolution by the 8 years. So why about 18 years of age lymphoid tissue undergo involution to reach the adult side. So here example of lymphoid tissue is tonsils. So does lymphoid tissue stay high forever? No, it decreases later. Now the second one is neural tissue. So here it grows very rapidly and almost reaches the adult side by the 6 to 7 years of age. But very little growth of neural tissue can occur after the 6 to 7 years. So here the neural tissue example is brain. So here key point is it fast early growth, almost completed by the 7 years, but very little growth will be later. So at what age neural growth is almost complete? The answer is 6 to 7 years. So this is the diagram you see. So this is a lymphoid tissue. Here this is lymphoid tissue. So it proliferates rapidly in late childhood. That is here. It will proliferate rapidly, almost 200% it will be developing lymphoid tissue. Then it will decreasing, that is by the end of the 18 years, that the age of the 18 years it will be decreasing. Okay. So here you see it is decreasing, that is the involution by the 18 years. So this is a lymphoid tissue. Now we will see the neural tissue. So by the age of 6 to 7 years it is almost developing, that is 100% developing. But later on at the last, that is 7 years, it is stable. Okay. So it is fully developed. So very little growth will be occur after 6 to 7 years. So this is a lymphoid and the neural tissue. Now we see the general tissue. So the general tissue is, so it is consists of the muscles, bone and the other organs. So these tissue exhibit an S-shaped curve with at the age of 2 to 3 years it is grow rapid. Then followed by the slow phase of growth between 3 to 10 years. Then slowly it will be developing by the 3 to 10 years. Then after the 10th year, a rapid phase of growth occurs, which is terminating by the 18 to 20 years. That is, it is terminating here. So you see this is forming the S-shaped curve. So this is a general tissue. So which tissue show the S-shaped growth? That is a general tissue. Okay. Now we see the genital tissue. It is consists of the reproductive organs. So here they show the negligible growth until the puberty. So this is the genital. There is no growth occur. But at the however they grow rapidly at the puberty, which is reaching the adult side, after which growth will be ceased. So it is rapid growth at puberty and then stop after the maturity. So when does genital tissue grow rapidly? It is rapid developing at puberty. Okay. So guys, this was a Scammon growth curve which is explained in the easiest way. If this video helped you, like the video, share with your friend and subscribe for the more BDS exam content. And comment below which topic should I cover next. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.